Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put a webcam or a facecam video overlay over your gameplay video or whatever it is that you want to use it for. So let's go ahead and begin. We've got our footage here. For the purpose of this episode, I've got a Minecraft video that I'm going to edit for you just to show you how to do it. So let's go ahead and begin. So now first we're going to drag our gameplay footage into the window and drag it down to the timeline. And now what I usually do is I record my gameplay footage on my PS4 with the share button, and then I record my face cam with my cellular device. So now let's go ahead and give ourselves a visual cue. What I usually do is I hold the controller in front of the camera and then I move it just ever so slightly. Move the camera, just like that. Ripple delete. Make sure it's ripple delete, otherwise you'll have a blank spot right there. And add video track. And remember, I right clicked there. If you watched the previous video, you would know that already. So now let's go ahead and drag our face cam footage in. Here's me. And that's it. Now it's all lined up. Ripple delete. Now let's cut out some of the filler here. And ripple delete both of these. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We're playing Minecraft again today. We left off, we found our village. Alright. Now what we want to do is, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make it a circular frame. So let's go ahead and type in crop in the filters, crop circle. And now what we want to do for this is make it transparent. Now add another filter, size, position, and rotate. And I'm going to put it down in the bottom right. And now this next part is optional. You don't have to do this, but I usually add an overlay on top of that. So let's go to our files, assets. Guess we're going to have to do Alt Tab. There we go. We have our webcam overlay. And now let's resize a little bit more to fit it better on the overlay itself. And that looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and drag this all the way down to the end of the video, but we first have to cut the very end of the video. The next one. Split it playhead. Make sure they're both even. Split it playhead. Ripple delete. Here we are. Now I'm going to drag the rest of this down. Zoom out. And that should cover the entire video. There we go. And there you have it. You have a webcam overlay on your video. That's really all you have to do. You just add another track over the one that you have, crop it, and size, position, and rotate, drag it down, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video when I show you how to do more stuff.